Right folks, I'm in my local woodland again today and looking for some turkey tail mushrooms today again. I mean, I've only just started foraging them, but so I found another log with quite a good amount on them, so I've took about 20, 30 and there's still like about 100, 200 mushrooms still on the log, so that's good. And I've came up to an area where I've not really been before, but it's right next to the houses. There's a big wall and it's crazy the amount of shit that people leave. Yes. I presume that's a camping chair. And another one. Yep, camping chairs. And obviously somebody's been buzzing the gas. I hate that dick. He's a local, I think he's a pickup guy. He goes about picking up the old cars and stuff. And he loves his air horn. Prick. Look at this. Pots and pans. Okay, what that is, it's a cooker. Honestly, man. Cream charger. Alright, they've been doing the NOS. It's a NOS, aye. Surprised I'll not see a couple of bodies here either.